Morning students. Now all of you see page number 35. I am reading about commercial farming. This is one of the types of farming. The main characteristic of commercial farming is this type of farming is the use of higher doses of modern inputs. So modern inputs which are used in commercial farming. For example, high yielding variety HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. So all these which are used in commercial farming to produce more and more farm production. The degree of commercialization of agriculture varies from one region to another. So level of commercial farming is different as per the place. From one region to another region we can see the different. For example, here we can see the example. Rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but in Orissa it is a subsistence crop. So that is a different, you can understand. So degree of commercialization of agriculture which is different from one region to another region. How? So rice cultivation on the basis of commercial in Haryana and Punjab, but if you see in Orissa, so rice is cultivated how? For the living purpose, for survival purpose, we can say it is a subsistence crop. Now see this line. Can you give some more examples of crops which may be commercial in one region and may provide subsistence in another region? So you have to find out yourself. Now students, see this paragraph. Now I am reading about our remaining paragraph. Plantation is also a type of commercial farming. So this is a, we can say, the example of commercial farming. Plantation is one of the type of commercial farming. Plantation is done for earning more and more money. In this type of farming, a single crop. So what is a plantation? So here definition we can see. In this type of farming, means in plantation, a single crop is grown on a large area. The plantation has an interconnection of agriculture and industry. Means plantation which is a, we can say, the interlinked with whom? With agriculture as well as industry. Plantation cover large tracts of land. So plantations, so where the plantation is done, so it requires large areas using capital intensive inputs. So more inputs with the help of migrant laborers. So we need for plantation it requires so laborers, also more laborers. All the produce is used as a raw material in respective industries. So whatever the production which is done in the through the commercial, means through the plantations, so all production which is used as a raw material for the related industries. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are important plantation crops. So these are the example of plantation crops. Tea in Assam and North Bengal, coffee in Karnataka are some of the important plantation crops grown in these states. Since the production is mainly for market. Now in a plantation we can understand one quality here, characteristic, we can see the characteristic. So what is this? Plantation crops grown in these states, production is mainly for market, means for the purpose of earning money, for selling purpose, not for survival. A well developed network of transport and communication connecting the plantation areas, processing industries and markets plays an important role in the development of plantations. So these are the important communication, transportations, development in a network of transportation, communications. Okay, all these are the help to develop the we can say the development of the plantations. Now here you can see the picture, you can see carefully. Now remaining next paragraph, sorry, cropping pattern, we will read in next clip.